Hello viewers, welcome to Autos and Vehicles Review. This review of the 2025 Iveco Daily 4x4 camper van, a vehicle that truly redefines what it means to travel off the beaten path. This rugged yet comfortable camper van is designed to handle tough terrains while ensuring you have all the comforts of home on the road. Let's dive into what makes this camper van a standout choice for adventurers and overlanders alike. First, let's talk about the interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious and modern design. The layout is optimized for functionality, with every square inch of space put to good use. There's a cozy sleeping area that can comfortably accommodate two adults, featuring high-quality foam mattresses and plenty of headroom. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated throughout, ensuring you have space for all your gear without feeling cramped. Moving to the kitchenette, you'll find everything you need to whip up a meal on the go. It comes equipped with a 2-burner stove, a compact refrigerator, and a stainless steel sink with a water filtration system. The countertops are made from durable, scratch-resistant materials, and there's a folding table that can double as a workspace or dining area. It's clear that the designers prioritized practicality without sacrificing style. The bathroom setup is equally impressive for a camper van of this size. There's a fully enclosed wet room with a compact shower and cassette toilet, ensuring you have privacy and convenience even in remote locations. The water system includes a sizable freshwater tank and a separate gray water tank, making it easier to manage your resources during extended trips. Now, let's focus on the driving and performance aspects. The 2025 Iveco Daily 4x4 is powered by a robust 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering ample torque for climbing steep inclines or navigating rough trails. It's paired with a full-time 4-wheel drive system and locking differentials, ensuring optimal traction in any conditions. The suspension has been reinforced for off-road performance, offering a smooth ride even on uneven terrain. One of the standout features is the advanced infotainment system and driver aids. The dashboard is equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen that integrates navigation, connectivity options, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, hill descent assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making it easier to maneuver in tight spots or challenging environments. What truly sets the Iveco Daily 4x4 camper van apart is its durability and versatility. The rugged exterior is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, with reinforced panels and a high ground clearance. The integrated roof rack and optional solar panels provide additional utility, whether you're hauling extra gear or looking to stay off-grid for longer periods. Despite its rugged build, the camper van doesn't compromise on comfort. The interior lighting is fully adjustable, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere during the evenings. There's also a high-efficiency heating and cooling system to keep you comfortable regardless of the weather outside. This camper van is a perfect blend of form and function. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended expedition, it offers the reliability, comfort, and capability you need. The 2025 Iveco Daily 4x4 camper van isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile base camp for your adventures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy adventuring!